Hello, my name is Phylip Harries and I play the character of Dai. Well, I've known of Paratowch for a very long time. I was nearly in a production 20 odd years ago in Theatr Clwyd, but I was involved with another play at the time, so I couldn't do it. So I was very disappointed, but now I'm really looking forward to do this production. And what's really attracted me to the production is the track record Aberystwyth has of producing top quality entertainment every summer for the last 30 years or more. And I was lucky enough to be here last year in the successful production of Operation Julie.
Yes.
During a lovely hot summer. And when I got the chance to come back, well, I took it immediately because it's such a lovely place to work and the quality of productions here is top notch. Certainly, looking at the play now, one thing I think the audience will take away from it is how relevant it is to today. Unfortunately, of course, in many ways, the cost of living crisis, it seems as if nothing has changed at all. You know, there are strikes then in the play back in the 80s, and there are strikes now again. And it's just one of those things that comes round in cycles, and I'm sure the audience will be able to associate with the themes and issues in the play, and you know, put them together with what's happening today, but hopefully to see that there is a bit of light at the end of the tunnel. There are great characters in this play. Everyone has got a particular role to play. I'm lucky or unlucky that I get to play most of my scenes with my buddy Harries, and both characters, Dai and Brian, they are big buddies in the play, so we know each other better than we know each other, if you know what I mean. So we're able to do things without telling each other what we're going to do. We can just look at each other, and we know what each of us is going to say, so that's fantastic. And we're also lucky that you know, I know nearly all of the other actors in the play, and I've worked with them many times before, so it's like coming home on a summer holiday in Aberystwyth. I always like to inhabit a character, so you know, anything that's going to help me to create the character, be it you know, with costume or thoughtfulness or anything really, is going to help. What we've been doing during rehearsal with Richard is going through the script and looking at the main events in the script which trigger off you know, certain emotions and actions and how characters are feeling at any given point in the play. So that really helps, so that instead of just reading the lines and going through it automatically, you think, oh, hang on, there was an event that happens here which is important that I feel like this. So that just gives you a moment to breathe and to think what's coming next,
yeah, and
to play that honesty then like that. Local community, come and see Paratowch. It's fantastic. It's gonna make you laugh, make you cry, make you dance out of the theatre, and make you think.